Alright, rebuilding the cylinders on my Massey HD2660, new to me. Need cylinders rebuilt. It's a DL260 loader. There's another 220 or something like that. Probably has the same type of system. Cannot find a video anywhere, so here I will make one just because I wanted to know what I was trying to get, what I'm getting into. It's actually pretty simple. If this will focus. See the snap ring there. Get myself in it. Pop that thing out. Just a little bit. Whoop. Of course, I'm watching what I'm doing and not watching the phone. A little stuck there. Alright. That out. This pulls out. And then in there, you can't see it because this thing's old and rusted. There's a little O-ring. Get that thing out. Hopefully there's a replacement. My parts are arriving today. Bad focus, sorry. Anyway, there's an O-ring in there. Take that sucker out. And my trusty old beat the crap hammer. Tap that thing in. I gotta put the phone down for a minute. I'll come back. I'm using this, I'm just setting it on it and then I'm tapping it, but I need two hands. But you gotta tap it just till this piece. I'll show you when I get there. I'll come back. Alright, fuck it. Place to set this up and all the bullshit I got here. Yeah, whatever. What I just did a minute ago, did soak it with UV blaster because I didn't know what I was going to get into and I figured soak it. Break it free a little bit. Break the rust free. A little bit of a trim. Alright. Try one time like this. Just to break this part up. And reposition this. Just come back when I get all set up. Alright, back at it. I reposition this so that these are holding here. I wasn't going to put too much pressure because these are critical. But it was enough. Put the pipe wrench on it just because this was all rusted and I wanted to break it free. Now we'll go back. We got to beat this thing in, but don't go too far. I'll show you where you got to get it to, but you don't want to go too far because the last one I just did, I got it to this point and it made this getting off really difficult because there was hardly no air or anything like that coming through, because you got to push this in but don't go far past here. There's another little spring clip inside of there that you got to take out. You got to get past it so that you could manipulate that spring clip out. So first we'll beat it past it. Yeah, sure. All my random bullshit. Making this work. So, get this to focus, this nice rusty shit. Where is the end of it? Damn, this one's nasty. It's a new to me tractor. Get my flashlight so I can see it better instead of trying to use the phone light. Oh, we didn't get past it. It's back. Where's my pick? I gotta push it more, but it's back here. So we gotta get past that so we can get that spring. Alright. Give us a little bit more. Light throwing a fit, won't turn off. What the hell do I do with that pick? Alright. So, you see this metal ring here? Focus up there. There. I thought I saw the gap. Where was it? Yeah, there's the gap right there. Now this is super fucking rusty. I'm gonna have to spray this and let it sit for a little bit, and this is nasty. But let's go to the one I took off already. So, yeah, got my pick, it's easier to point. This metal ring, super fucking strong, sits right there, and that little bit of a lip there holds it. So I'm gonna have to spray that. I'll probably, this was nice, this is off the lift cylinder. I'm working on the tilt cylinder right now, waiting on UPS to come with my parts today. But anyway, this is what you were beating in. Boom. Your ring, your snap ring fits there. Collar gets stopped by that. Of course, when all this stuff gets here, I'll put them back on. This, you kind of see the wear pattern on it versus this wear pattern. But typically the seal goes most towards the back. This slides all the way in, that slides onto that, and your nut holds it all together just like any other cylinder. But I wasn't sure how these went together, and this little snap ring thing was the main reason why I made this video, because I couldn't find anything that showed how it went. Anyway, I'm going to continue on. I got my other two cylinders to do on the other side, but I'll soak this so I can get that spring out eventually. But for now, yeah, that's pretty fucking disgusting. I might have to hone this one too. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like the rest of the way in. Anyway, hope this helps. Alright, I got that thing out. Ooh, where are we at? I ended up pushing it in. Come on, focus in the right place. I ended up pushing it all the way in, putting a pin bar, or this stupid thing, putting this in underneath it. Like I pushed it all the way in with a screwdriver past it, put this down here so it'll right above it, and then yanked it all the way out as I pull with the fucking phone. Anyway, now you could probably do this by reconnecting it up there and yanking on it, but I already got it set up and I worked by this last time. Just tied it off to the tractor. Now you got to yank on this to get it all get it out and apart and then have fun with it. It'll probably fall on the floor and half of you guys will freak out. What's it getting on the floor? Never clean it up. There we have it. I can't see. Yep, you see this thing's all chewed up, and that's why that's why it was constantly fucking falling. Not to mention this is disgusting. This ring's trash. There's probably supposed to be a ring in there. I don't know. And we gotta take this off. I will put it back up just to take this nut off. But anyway, there's the order that it all goes in. So yeah, connect it back up, take this nut. I believe, double check myself, yep. It's 1.5 inches. Ringo Hillbilly, good friction a lot. Alright. Anyway, I'm probably just gonna drop it in up there, just stick a pin bar in it, like the one I got right there, and then crank that nut off.